In this video, we will talk about some tips and tricks that will help you ace the examination. Physics is a concept-based subject and has lots of practical problems to solve. Thus, it is crucial that you understand the concepts well and apply them while solving the problems. You can refer to NCERT books for understanding the basic concepts. Chemistry is a blend of numerous chemical equations, problems, and also concepts. You should mark important points while studying. That will help you during the revision. In biology, you have to study many concepts and diagrams and remember them. You can refer some good books to clear all the doubts so that you can solve even the complex question in the examination. Clear the basics being studied in class 11th and 12th. That is the key to score some good marks. Read newspapers and watch news every day for at least an hour to have an idea of what's happening around you. Solve previous year papers that will help you know your strengths and weaknesses. For that, you can check the Prep Guru app by Youth for Work. Check the description for the link of the app. So if you find the content of this video relevant, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel.